how to set Discord permissions. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to guide you how you can easily set up permission for channel all at once. So let's get started. For that, you can open up Discord and head over to one of your servers first. And once you open it up, you should be finding your channels under this channel section. So if you want to basically give permissions instead of going manually to each channels, you want to do it all at once, you can follow the steps. So you can head over to the text channel name first and drop it down or right click on it. And once you do, you should be finding option of edit category. You may open it up, and once you open it up, you may head over to permissions or something, or you may just go ahead and look out for this and cross this out. You can look out for the advanced permissions if you prefer and give access to every permissions and close it up. Now what you can do is, instead of going manually, when you head over to permissions, you should be finding the permissions being synced with text channels, which means if you set any kind of permissions to your text channel whole, it will basically change the permissions in each private channels in your text channels. So that is it. You may also follow the same process in order to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more.